What I wish I knew at 16 instead of 26? The difference between good debt and bad debt can be life-changing. Understanding this concept early on can set you up for financial success and help you avoid common pitfalls. Not all debt is evil. In fact, some debt can actually work in your favor if used wisely. It's all about knowing how to leverage it to your advantage. Today, we're diving into the world of good debt and bad debt. This knowledge can empower you to make smarter financial decisions and build a more secure future. Yes, there is such a thing as good debt. So, what's the difference? How can you tell if the debt you're considering is beneficial or detrimental? Good debt is money borrowed to purchase something that has the potential to increase in value or generate income. This type of debt can be a strategic tool for building wealth. Think student loans, mortgages, and business loans. These are investments in your future that can pay off significantly over time. These investments can pay off big time. For example, a college degree can lead to higher earning potential, a home can appreciate in value, and a business can generate profits. Bad debt, on the other hand, is money borrowed to buy things that won't increase in value. This type of debt can be a financial burden and hinder your ability to build wealth, like that shiny new gadget or an expensive vacation. While these purchases might bring temporary joy, they don't contribute to your long-term financial health. They might be fun now, but they won't help your financial future. In fact, they can lead to stress and financial strain if not managed properly. Let's break it down with an example. Understanding real-life scenarios can help you see the practical implications of good and bad debt. Imagine you take out a loan to buy a rental property. This is a classic example of good debt because it has the potential to generate income. Sure, it's debt, but it's good debt. Why? Because the rent you collect can cover the loan payments and even bring in some extra cash. Over time, the property may also appreciate in value, because the rent you collect can cover the loan payments and even bring in some extra cash. This additional income can be used to pay off the loan faster or invest in other opportunities. Now, picture maxing out your credit card on a shopping spree. That's bad debt. This type of debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed carefully. High interest rates and no return on investment can hurt your finances in the long run. The interest payments can add up, making it difficult to pay off the principal balance. So next time you're thinking about borrowing money, ask yourself, will this help me grow my wealth? Is this an investment in my future or just a temporary pleasure? Will this help me grow my wealth? If the answer is yes, you might be looking at good debt. If not, it might be wise to reconsider. If the answer is yes, you might be looking at good debt. Remember, it's all about making informed decisions and understanding the long-term impact of your financial choices. Remember, use debt wisely, and it can be a powerful tool for smart investments. Educate yourself, seek advice from financial experts, and always consider the bigger picture. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Stay informed and take control of your financial future.